In our line of work, things have to be fast and effective because otherwise things can get lost. What you don't know can be very scary, and I think that's where us having Merit behind us, it's just that peace of mind.
Cybersecurity and compliance can become a foundation for growing a business into a new marketplace. That's what Merit was able to do for R&D.
Being able to reach out to somebody directly is a huge plus, especially in this day and age where everything's automated. Having the ability to call and talk to somebody and not just put a ticket in when something's a little bit more urgent is a big deal.
R&D is a great client because they value technology. They know how it could help them grow with their business, and we do that with them together.
We're not just an engineering firm. We have different scales of who we work with, how we're working with them. Everybody has a different certification. To have somebody that's there to walk us through it is immeasurable.